Yesterday, we had a lovely chance for conducting our game-based learning workshop focusing on change agility. You see, my dear friends, there is so much of turmoil which is happening in the global environment, geopolitical crisis, AI crisis or AI opportunities, whatever you say. But there's so much of chance and opportunity for us to remain agile forever. And how does that important element of change agility get cascaded down from our mindset to our organizations, and we help the organization to grow and scale? And that's how we had this 100 minutes of workshop, a workshop where we had a brilliant strategy game called Two Flags, where we gave them scenarios of how the games you have to play against an AI, where AI creates scenarios where there is fog, there is a log, there is different situations out over there, and then you have to maneuver and be so agile that you are able to successfully compete against the AI and win against the AI. So the format was, we gave them a complete instructions, gave them understanding about how to play the games, how to understand the entire process, and then we put them into breakout rooms of around 3 and 4 participants, and they played the games, strategy games, along with their teams facing the AI. And some of them won against the AI, but some of them unfortunately lost against the AI strategy games. And so we brought them back and then asked them about what went well, what do you do, what do you think you can do better against the entire scenario, and then took some insights and then asked them what is the learnings and brought out the important learning of having shared clarity, importance of having shared goals, importance of bouncing forward, importance of asking for help, importance of being vulnerable, and all of these elements which will help you to be agile in the entire workplace environment to help the organization to grow and scale. So it was a 100 minutes program, a strategy program for them. My dear friends, so I want to appeal to each one of you, if you are also facing issues and opportunities in terms of how the world is currently moving, and you want your teams to be super agile, then come and experience along with your team this beautiful element called Change Agility, Simrise game-based learning experience. And it's going to be complimentary for your teams, for Fortune 500 companies, for multinational companies. So as an HR head, if you want to introduce this particular program for your 15 to 18 of your key leaders, we are happy to conduct it complimentary for your teams. Feel free to get in touch with Team Simrise. We'll be more than happy to help you and your teams be agile in this entire environment.